Once again, Ticketmaster is switching up its refund policy, and this comes just a week after receiving so much backlash. Here is the buzz. So if you've ordered tickets and your concert or event has been postponed, you will now be able to receive a refund. Earlier this month, many voiced their concerns after Ticketmaster switched up its policy without notifying anyone, only allowing refunds if an event or show was canceled. Also trending, everyone's least favorite chore, well, it just got more complicated. Health experts say you should be paying extra attention to your laundry because COVID-19 could be hiding on your clothes. So they suggest washing your clothes on the hottest settings recommended on the tag to kill the virus.
It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that
This is what you call Soul Patrol. One man surprising and serenading residents at a nursing facility. He performed Motown hits for each and every person that wanted a show, and he nailed Marvin Gaye's Heard It Through the Grapevine, and he did it with a mask on. You gotta give my dude some props.